In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hand over your site to clients with Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pass ownership smoothly and set your client up for success without any confusion. First, make sure you're on the correct site's dashboard in Wix Studio. This is your project's home base, where you can see everything related to the site. It's important that you're signed into the account that currently owns the site, since only the owner can initiate a handover. From the left-hand pane, click on Settings. This is where all the key administrative controls live. Inside Settings, head to Roles and Permissions. Think of this area as your control center for who can do what on the site. Ownership is the highest level of access. It controls billing, permissions, and the ultimate authority over the project. Here, click Change Owner. This is the official handover action. You'll see a prompt asking for the new owner's email address. Type in the client's email carefully and double-check for typos. Getting this right matters, because Wix will send a request directly to that address. Once you submit the email, Wix Studio sends an ownership request to the new owner. They'll receive an email with instructions to accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the current owner, so there's no sudden change mid-project. If the client doesn't see the email, have them check their spam or promotions folders and make sure they're looking at the correct inbox. If they don't already have a Wix account, they'll be prompted to create one when they accept. Quick and straightforward. After the client accepts, ownership updates automatically. From that point on, they hold full control. You can still continue collaborating if they keep you on as a collaborator with the appropriate role, but the official ownership rests with them. A couple of quick best practices before you hand over. Let your client know the request is coming so they can act on it promptly, and confirm you've wrapped up any final deliverables or documentation they'll need. This helps avoid back and forth later and keeps the transition clean and professional. That's all there is to it. Go to your site's dashboard, open Settings on the left pane, navigate to Roles and Permissions, select Change Owner, enter the new owner's email, and Wix Studio will take care of the request. Follow these steps, and your handover will be clear, secure, and effortless.